Alright, so me and my friend are going on a nature walk right now. And I'm just and I'm just recording all this just in case, we find anything.
I'm recording
Look at that.
I got what?
That's a nice cute little river. Very skibbity. Very skibbity.
I'm wearing my mask because I want to upset old dads in their 50s that don't like.
I'm wearing my tail.
What?
Wearing my tail. Covered in dirt.
An actual tail.
Horses!
It's starting to snow, Dandra.
Horses, like right there. Very skibbity. Horses are skibbity. Damn, the whole ass cup over here.
Damn.
Yeah.
There's a truck coming.
Yeah, I mean, that's not a truck, that's a car. Is that a depot box?
I just stared at them. They just ignored me fully. They were just like, ignore the furry. Ignore the furry.
Oh, look, mistletoe.
I actually, so, if you, that my videos, you might know,
It's
obviously
mistletoe.
Oh, nice. You might know that I am a fox, but I can actually do a wicked dog bark. Like, bro, here, hold this. I can do like,
Look at the lice that's falling.
I can actually also do a howl.
Mistletoe.
People are gonna be so confused. Bro, it's raining lice.
Nice.
Yummy.
Look at all that lice.
Look at all that dandruff. It's coming from me. Damn, it's starting to pour down. Fuck yeah.
This is by the way, this is like one of our first snows of the year.
Yeah, it's just been on and off. Like when I woke up at like 7 a.m., there's like snow all over like the ground and stuff. But then I woke up at 11. I re-woke up.
7-Eleven.
Dick.
It looks
It's raining dandruff.
from out of the sky.
It landed on me.
So did it. It did too. Y'all, I got dandruff on me, y'all.
Yeah. Ooh, it's starting to pour down.
It's actually really peaceful. Except for the cars, which is not so very
The
peaceful.
snow is nice.
Let's see, can I catch some in my hand?
It's falling on me.
Oh,
Oh, the snow is falling on me.
You got a clump. Oh, it evaporated. Damn, it's raining in big chunks too.
Damn, it's in my hair.
Yeah,
Oh,
look at all that
It
snow.
hit my nose. It evaporated though.
Why can't you turn around? My camera don't work like that.
It's raining dandruff.
Getting actually a really clear view of it.
Yeah.
If I were wearing my glasses right now, they would have been fogged up.
Oh, it's on my nose. It's on my nose.
I'm gonna make another